Egg white mask to remove blackheads. How to remove blackheads naturally. Egg white mask. How to. Take 2 eggs and separate egg white from the yolk. Beat it to get a foamy texture. Take a brush and apply it on your face. Take some tissue paper strips and cover your face, especially the nose area. Apply another layer on the tissue paper. Place a layer of tissue paper once again and apply again a coat of the egg mask. Let the mask dry completely. Peel off the mask gently as you remove a peel off. Rinse your face with normal water. How it works. Egg mask is enriched with lysozyme enzyme that has astringent properties. It helps in reducing the formation of sebum on the surface of the skin and thus shrinks the larger pores. It is an effective homemade remedy for clearing away the blackheads. Egg white plus lemon juice mask. How to. Take 2 eggs and separate egg white from the yolk. Whisk it properly and pour it in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice and mix it thoroughly with help of a spoon. Wash your face beforehand with a cleanser to remove accumulated dirt. Apply this mixture on the face with help of a brush. Let it semi-dry and apply a coat once again. Repeat the process once again. Now let the mask dry completely. Remove it and rinse off with normal water. How it works. Egg white is enriched with proteins that absorb the excess sebum and oil from the skin. It shrinks the enlarged pores and removes blackheads effectively. Lemon juice is rich in citric acid that is natural astringent. It removes and clears impurities, bacteria and ultimately blackheads from the pores.